Welcome to today's episode of Jake's Backyard.
So we're back at PicknPull today. Jeremy, he's becoming like a Mark III guy.
Oh gosh.
And there's a Mark III Cabby here somewhere. Is that how you say it? Cabby?
Yeah, Cabby.
And I need the cluster. And Jeremy's saying it might be some rare cluster. And he showed me a picture. Is that correct?
Maybe not, if not rare, like I think just like a limited thing because it's the Cabby 3.5. I think it's a 2000. That's the year of it. I think that's the 3.5. But Christian's all about that interior.
Yeah, he is.
And
that's cool though.
Yeah.
But they have that cool stuff over there. I don't think we got that cool interior over here.
No, dude. They have some awesome interior over there. Jenica loves all that stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we get some good stuff today. Got good vibes.
Good vibes.
You want to go down this road? I mean, this is your backyard, dude. You should.
Well, dude, usually when I have the cart, I don't go down I kind of just look. I'd like to get to. I'm pretty excited about that Cabby because that cluster. I kind of want to see that.
Okay, well, I don't know where it is. Oh, I guess I could have looked on the app. Let's just go down it. There's not many people.
All right. We're gonna.
Hold on, I know what's dragging it.
Well, so we're gonna. We're just here looking for stuff. We're looking for stuff. We might get here's a Mark IV wagon right there.
Let me check on that.
Yeah.
Well, you know what?
All right.
I do that every time. I see something that's like candy.
There's that 83 with that 3.2. Looks like someone took it. The whole front end. I hope not, because I feel bad taking the pan off of it and stuff, but I needed it.
First come, first serve.
So here's the Corrado. It's been about, I don't know, it's been about a week and a half since I've been here. And people still getting stuff off of it. What? Oh, jeez. So something I do need, actually. So on my Mark II 180T, there's a little, what is it called in here? A little clip?
It holds that axle spindle nut on the outside. I don't know what it's called.
Holds the hub in, doesn't it? Or
no, it just holds the nut from rotating.
Yeah, so I noticed my my wheel was kind of going back and forth, and took it apart and found out it was missing something. So hopefully I'm gonna get that out. You can stop it. What in the world?
Oh, nice packed bearings, dude.
They're brand new.
Yeah, they probably are.
Wow.
Is there a lip on the rotor?
So this little piece right here, if you guys can see that, that's what I'm missing on mine. And you know, this thing will move all the way out to the Carter pin if that's not on there.
Seriously. You thin those out, make those smaller, and grab that, pinch that cotter pin key and pull it.
Yeah. I don't want to get your tool.
Oh, dude, these are junkyard tools. They're all crap, dude.
So the car that I want to see is right there, but Jeremy does not like missing any rows, so we're going down this one.
You gotta look at everything.
When I get to the car, I kind of glance. Oh, I do see a Mark IV, a blue Mark IV coming up.
Dude, how would you even see a SCR?
SCR?
You didn't walk down these aisles.
That's true. There's a Porsche Cayenne right there.
You got a front balance on this one.
Something's wrong with the front, it looks like. So on my wagon, it's like busted off.
There's a wagon too.
What's this? 2.0. Another wagon.
2.0.
There's a Range Rover over there.
Any sweet fog lights on that thing?
A little update here. So I got this off the Corrado, which I needed for mine, and it was like brand new, so I got a little bit more of the bearings and stuff. And this little plug Jeremy says I need, and then it'll stop blinking. We have finally came to the car while we are here.
What a gem.
Looks like it caught fire.
What a gem.
Oh
no,
no.
It's just ugly.
What the heck? It's just really that ugly?
Yeah.
That was caught fire for sure. Let's see if it's.
Oh, nice peanut butter leather.
Oh wow, dude. So Jeremy, he was right, dude. Look at this. Is this stock?
Yeah, that sounds good.
What?
Oh, see the needles?
Dude, it's got airbags on the side.
The Mark IV stock, they start going into Mark IVs.
This is a Mark III with a Mark IV from OEM. Dude, that's crazy.
See, oh, they call these dimple dashes.
Oh, whoa.
They're legit.
Dude, I've never
That
seen.
cluster's dope.
This is factory. So that is the cluster that I'm gonna get. I'm over.
Sick, dude.
I'm over the Mark II cluster. I want something that's digital going down to the transmission so everything works correctly. And I really like how that looks anyways. And I have to take the dash off to do my heater core. So when I do that.
You want to put the steering wheel on your car?
No, I don't want to do that.
A lot of people do it.
Dude, this interior is pretty nice. Look at this.
I actually might take that steering wheel.
Yeah? What are you going to put it in?
Nah, I just need to stop. I would like in my Golf, but fuck it. I mean, sorry.
Wow. What's in the boxes in the back?
Look at this. It's really nice. It's small and it's something about.
Dude, it's got hella rear lights. They're
they fit
smoked.
on GTIs too. That's what I go on
Dude.
Jetta's Golf.
Boxes.
Factory shops.
Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get this cluster out, and then I think I need the harness from the cluster going down to the C2 box too. Yeah. So we got the cluster out, and this thing is amazing. So like Jeremy was saying, because I haven't really researched this, but he sent me a picture and it looked really cool. So since this whole thing has Mark IV stuff in it, the lights are blue already from a Mark IV. So I am super psyched to put this in my Mark II. I'm glad it's black too, because I was thinking about getting like the silver one, but I think this is gonna go with my red striping and the red dash, or the red stripe dash really well. Perfect. Oh. And I think we're going to be pulling this dimple dash.
No, we are. It's stupid not to.
Yeah. So there's no crack. I mean, I don't think these usually get cracks anyways, because just this material, but it looks really cool. So this is going to be going in the swap. Actually, Jeremy's doing. He's swapping a TDI into a Mark III 4-door.
Yeah,
What did you say?
Golf.
5-door though, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Because the back.
Hatch, yeah.
So he's swapping that. So this is going to be going in there.
But like Golfs came with diesels in Europe, but not in America. So it was only just the Mark III Jetta.
So all your European guys,
yeah, that's probably
had
a
it
big
easy.
deal.
Had it easy, but we're making one here. Or Jeremy's making one here. Actually, I'm helping him make one today.
Yeah.
And now it's starting to rain.
Yeah, so we're gonna get inside there. We're gonna put the top down.
We're gonna have to. Look at that rain cloud coming, dude.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Beautiful weather here.
I didn't
in
bring another
Washington.
camera. I time lapsed it, and I only have this camera, and the batteries will run out. So we'll hit you guys up when we probably have it out. All right, a little update for you guys. Where are we at, Jeremy?
Just getting the wires out of the back of the straps on the back of the dash. Not straps, like little plastic clips. Got all those. I think there's just a couple more, and then a zip tie.
One zip tie?
Yeah.
That holding it on the dash or wires?
Oh, on the dash. It's like, I'll feel it. Yeah, it's so close, dude. The zip tie is right there.
So a zip tie is holding on the dash, and then we'll have it out.
It clamps around, I think, the defrost. There's two halves, and the zip tie like holds it together so tight. I was reading on the forums, guys just flipping out. Dude, you have to see it. Can you see right there?
No.
You have to. I saw it before when I did this.
Comment below the zip tie struggle, everyone, with the Mark III dashes.
Oh God.
So we got the dash out. Also took the visors because those are black, and I haven't seen many black Mark III visors. Usually they're white. So I think that's it. We got our load, but we still got 4 more rows to go, and we scored pretty much already. So dimple dash.
Yeah.
Dimple dash. I got my cluster with the wires. Good to go.
Good to go.
So I thought I'd close it out to tell you, or show you actually what I did with that cluster. And so I'm doing a whole bunch of things today. I'm taking the rear tint off and just finally putting in some of my trim, because getting to the C2 box all the time, you don't want anything in your way. So I finally put that trim. I really like this one. I think I got this off of that Canadian car that I got at the Junkyard. I'll put the link up in the corner right here. And you know, it's got this cool little like pocket tray thing here, little thing here, and you can pull this down and see the fuse box in the back. But I'll show you. Put the dash, or put the cluster in last night, and yeah, you just have to make a jumper between, like, I don't know, E2 to D8, I think it is, or something under there. I'll put a picture up right here of the little jumper cable that I made. And yeah, this thing, I really like how it looks, and it's so cool. I like it that's black. I like the neon little colors, kind of goes with my black and red theme. Look at the, oh no, I think the battery. Okay, battery was unhooked, so I hooked up the battery. This thing is so cool. Turn the lights on for you guys. Check this thing out. Look at that. So yeah, I really like how that looks. Also have a plate coming for a triple gauge plate coming here, so I can have air, fuel, and probably oil, and then my boost. So that's coming. And then I don't know where I had a blank one up here. I have no idea. You know, like this one, where it went, lost it. But yeah, I need to get some mats. I need to get a longer boot so it can fit on there. But yeah, this is really excited how it's coming in. Oh, also need to get some visors. That would be cool. I'm not gonna put a headliner in. I'll probably clean it, make it look a little cleaner and stuff. So that's what's been going on in here. But a lot of people ask me about my wheels. They're Kong Villains. They're old school wheel. They're 205s, 40, and they're 16s. And I have new tread coming, and that's why it's up on the jack stands, because I took the wheels off, driving the discount tire, and as I was driving there, they called me and said it's not going to be in here until like Friday morning instead of, I think I was going like Wednesday or something. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's why it's up in the air. Oh, also I'm getting the correct e-brake cables, because mine were for drum and they don't work for the Mark IV calipers. So those are coming, waiting for tread, doing all this little stuff to button up everything. And yeah, that's about it. But just wanted to finish the video off, show you what I did with the cluster and everything. So I think that's it. And if you haven't been following my Instagram, that picture I put on with the real spoiler, the Rieger spoiler, I think I will put that on. I need to figure out how I'm going to mount it though. So just little stuff like that, buttoning up stuff. I'm really stoked to actually drive it. The weather's been really bad around here lately, so I'm just kind of waiting for some sunny weather, but it's kind of been good. Makes me get in the garage and finish up everything that I want to finish up. So end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a really fun time with the Junkyard with Jeremy. We always, it's always a good time when you have another person there to kind of just help you get stuff and you know, talk about stuff. And yeah, just really enjoyed it. So see you guys in the next video. So a little behind the scenes for you guys that stayed along. My wife hooked it up for the birthday. I've always wanted a trigger, and now I have one. So it just came, I just tore it open. So I'm gonna get this together so we can do some smoking some meat tonight. So I'm looking for the directions to this thing because there's a lot going on. I'm looking to make sure I have all the parts. I'm like looking at the install and I'm like, what? Oh, one beer. And you start and then, oh, it's on legs. You should be on your second beer. That's pretty funny.